What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is Daniel Lopez. I'm a fourth year medical student, and we are just so glad you tuned in. Today, right now, I'm going to announce the 3 winners of the Sketchy medical package. I'm gonna do a raffle in a few seconds, but I'm gonna give you a quick update on what's been going on. Last video was a long time ago, and a lot has happened since then. I went on a Peru mission trip. We actually got quarantined in Peru. The Peruvian president quarantined everybody there, and by the grace of God, we got one of the first plane rides out of Peru into Washington, D.C. That was on my match day, which is pretty cool. So on March 20th was my match day. I did match, thank God, to Kendall Regional Medical Center in Florida, and I'm just so thrilled. I'm gonna be an emergency medicine doctor. In the midst of all this chaos, in the midst of the coronavirus, God still provides and God still makes a way. And we're praying for those that are affected with this virus, the families of the people that have this virus, but I'm ready to go in there full force as an emergency med physician. That's really what happened. We went to Peru, I matched. We're looking for a house right now currently in the area that we matched in, and it is just an experience. We've never done this before. This is real adulting. And you know, once you are becoming a doctor, I'll be a doctor in a month, and once you become a doctor, the banks will lend you stuff. People will say, hey, because they know you're gonna make money, they lend you all this stuff, and you have to be cautious, you know? But we're being smart about it, we're being wise. So you might be wondering where am I at right now? I'm actually in the house that I grew up in. So it's pretty nice. We're quarantined here. So we have a little nice backyard and everything behind me, a canal and everything like that. So it's been nice spending time with family, just kind of staying cooped up in a home, just being safe. You know, and I would recommend that as well. Whatever the CDC says, go ahead and follow it. Stay home unless you have to do mandatory things. Right now, I'm gonna announce the 3 winners of the Sketchy medical package. And remember, this package is Sketchy pediatrics, Sketchy internal medicine, and Sketchy surgery. So you're getting a lot for this free package. So it's pretty awesome. And I also have that 15% discount, Danny15. The link's gonna be below to go check out that Sketchy package. These are the 3 winners. What do we got here? Oh, we have some raffles here. Let me toss them all up. I had them all crunched up. Let me get them all out here. All right, so.
You should let me pick.
You wanna pick?
Yeah.
Okay, you pick. Go ahead, put your hand in there.
Okay.
1, all right. So we got the first person, Abdul A. This is a 2nd year medical student. Congratulations. Abdul A, I'll be contacting you. Second person. All right. This second winner is Muriel Potty. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing this, but this is a medical student in Paris. So congratulations. All right, last one. Last but not least. All right, oh, look who it is. I know this guy. Joe Chen. How did he win this? This is funny, but hey, I gotta follow the rules. Joe Chen, he's a 4th year medical student. Congratulations, guys. I'll be in contact with you about the link and everything that you need to kind of get your 3-month subscription. So congratulations, guys, for winning that. Man, this is what I love doing. I love helping you guys out. And what's better than giving away free stuff, right? So thank you for tuning in. Man, this season has been a season of growth for my wife and I. We've really been just getting closer to God, you know, and through the chaos, through all the turmoil, through everything that's going on around the world, we know and we can have peace because we know that we can confide in God. And so every morning we've been doing Bible studies, we've been reading our word, and it's just been so uplifting and encouraging to be filled with things of above and not the things of this world, you know? The news is just negative. Everything on Instagram happens to be about someone dying or someone doing something bad. It's just like, it gets frustrating after a while. And so you want peace, you want hope, you want joy, read your word, read the Bible. And if you've never had before, go buy one. Go online, download the Holy Bible app. It has like millions of downloads because it's awesome. So pick a devotional in there, read it. It takes 5 minutes out of your day. It is worth it. And He is worth it. So that's what we've been doing. Guys, my wife and I have been talking about it, and I don't want this channel anymore to be just about medical school. I'm gonna graduate soon. I'm gonna become a doctor, so I'm gonna include things about the life of a physician. But I want it to be about my life. I want it to be about what I do outside of the hospital too. Just my life in general. Fitness, fashion, God, medicine, hunting, fishing, all these things that I like to do and my wife and I like to do. We want you guys to be a part of it. So I'm gonna include those videos in here too. Sorry that I haven't vlogged in a long time. This stuff, if you're not a professional of it, it takes time. It takes time to edit this. It takes time to put it up. A lot of these people on YouTube, this is what they do for a living. So they can post a video every 3 days. It's their life. That's how they make an income. But it's not my way of making an income. I'm in medical school and I'm gonna be a doctor. So it's very hard sometimes to edit these videos when I have other things to do, but I'm gonna try my best to make them a priority because I know you guys enjoy them and I just wanna hear what you guys want me to make. Subscribe, comment below on what you guys want me to share with you guys and what you guys want me to make a video on. Last but not least, love you. God loves you. Take care. We're out.